Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jazz Journey. This is your first time, welcome, and thank you for selecting this video. I am so excited to be doing this look. I feel like every collab just takes me out of my comfort zone, and I challenge myself to do something new in collab with other people. And the best part that I love is that we could take one theme, one thing that unites us, and yeah, we could get so creative, and it's the best way for us to inspire and get ideas from each other. So this is a collab, and I'm so happy that Laurie Latimer, which I'm going to be providing her picture, her video, and her link in the description box, so you could support her, because it was her idea and she just did this video and asked anybody who wanted to participate. And I said, you know what, I'm in it, because I really like that palette, but because we've been getting so many new palettes, I've been putting it to the side, and it was the best way for me to get more creative and come together and do a collab. And I feel like our community really needs it now more than ever. And I'm also going to provide all of their links to their videos, so you could follow them and so you could support them as well and see their makeup look. So the collab is very easy. It's just using this palette. I didn't do this on camera, but I'm just going to tell you real quick before I show you the tutorial. I use this brush also from Alamar, which I really like this brush. I'm really liking this brush to put the colors on the bottom. So what I did was every of the 3 colors that I used for the top, all these 3, I did them in order. I used this brush, I put them on the bottom. Shade here, La Costa, to kind of put some touch of highlight there to the brow bone. So I'm excited to do this collab, and I feel like I mentioned, we do need it. We've been hearing so many negative things about the beauty community and how it's dying or is dead, and not everybody's the same, and I feel like we should all come together and support each other even more. And sometimes a life could surprise you with so many things going on that you kind of like take a step back. Maybe you don't do as many videos, maybe you don't watch every video that you are subscribed to, but it doesn't mean that the love is not there. But it's just life sometimes surprise you, and it's good to know that sometimes you do take a little step back, but then you move forward and say, you know what, this is the one that when I'm going through sometimes some hard times, this is why I made my channel. And it's where sometimes when you need to smile and you just need a pickup, this is where I come, and I'm enjoying some of the videos that I watch, and it does make me smile, and it helps me forget a lot of the troubles that sometimes you go through. So this is why I really want to do the collab, because I want to really give back, because you have been giving me and you don't even know it. So I'm going to start sharing with you the tutorial. happy. I'm thankful really for Laurie Latimer for her doing this collab and helping me come out and create this makeup look using that palette, because I was kind of like putting it to the side. So it's like I need to start using it again. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. You could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new, you can subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.